Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I hope you all are fit and fine. So in this video we are gonna study about some scientists, some famous scientists and their famous inventions. This is the first part, this is the part 1. So we will just study about 5 famous scientists and their inventions. So let's start with our first scientist, who is Archimedes. Archimedes was born in 287 BC in Syracuse. He was a great Greek mathematician, physicist, engineer, inventor, and astronomer. He was also known as one of the leading scientists in classical antiquity and one of the greatest mathematicians. He anticipated modern calculus and analysis by theorems including properties of spheres, the surface area of the sphere, the volume of the contained ball, and surface area and volume of the cylinder. He died in 212 BC. Our next scientist is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was born on 25th December 1642 in Lincolnshire. He was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, theologian, and author who was widely recognized one of the most influential scientists of all time in the scientific revolution. His book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, first published in 1687, established by classical mechanics. He was also a professor of mathematics at University of Cambridge. Our next scientist in this list is Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday was born on 22nd September 1791 in England. He was a scientist who contributed to the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. His main discoveries, including the principles underlying electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism, and electrolysis. One of his inventions were the Faraday cage. It is an enclosure used to block electromagnetic field. A Faraday shield may be formed by a continuous covering of conductive material, or in the case of a Faraday cage, by a mesh of such materials. These cages were first invented in 1836. He died on 25th August 1867. Our next scientist in this list is James Clerk Maxwell. James Clerk Maxwell, he was born on 13th June 1831. He was a Scottish scientist in the field of mathematical physics. His most notable achievement was to formulate the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation. Maxwell's equations for electromagnetism have been called the second great unification in physics. He died on 5th November 1879 in England. Our next scientist and the last scientist in this list is Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was born on 10th July 1856 in Croatia. He was a Serbian American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist, best known for his contributions to the design of modern alternating current electric supply system. One of his great inventions was the Tesla coil. A Tesla coil is an electrical resonant transformer circuit designed by him in 1891. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency alternating current electricity. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please like and subscribe my channel. So this is all for the part 1. We will meet with some more scientists and their famous inventions in the part 2. I'll certainly give its link in the description. So Take care till then.